Why is it necessary to be present in nature? Because it's in our nature to cultivate and sow the innovation and transformation that drive the future. Because it's in our nature to develop ideal solutions from the countryside to the garden. What we do is in the hands of those who take care of and have a passion for getting closer to the ground, the land. Because it's in our nature to envision horizons in every nook and cranny of the world, in gardening, in agribusiness, in the recycling of organic waste, in tools and accessories. Here at Trapp, our green cultivates the love for the earth with respect for being sustainable, doing everything with dedication and excellence, reaffirming every day of our more than 70 years our commitment to the satisfaction of all those who connect themselves with our brand. Here at Trapp, our green clings to the legacy that has been left to us, giving meaning to life, giving meaning to feeling, giving meaning to contributing. Here at Trapp, our green makes proud a job well done, productivity, trust, simplicity, recognition, pride, and happiness. We flourish from our origin, spreading prosperity and well-being with excellence, planting appreciation in people to always harvest the best. This way, Trapp's history is perpetuated, walking the right path and hoping that the challenges and the opportunities will always lead us to be part of the world's transformations. Because it's our feeling of belonging that makes us embrace the purpose of cultivating love for the earth and for people. A commitment to always remember our nature. Trapp, cultivating love for the earth.